Hello everyone, our team name is HA Innovators and I am Hardik Nagpal of class 9.
I am Akshay and I study in class 11.
We both study in DA Public School, Tharmakoni, Panipat, Haryana. We have made AI powered glasses for blind people. These glasses act like a personal assistant for them, describing about surroundings, obstacles, faces, and enabling real time viewing for safety. In making of this project, we have used one webcam, one ultrasonic sensor, one Raspberry Pi, and power bank for power supply. We can use either speaker or either headphone for audio feedback, but for guiding privacy, it's important to use headphone. In India, millions of blind people face many difficulties in moving safely and independently. They cannot see what's around them, either any vehicle, person, or any object. That's why they depend on others for help. They cannot even walk safely and independently. Now we are going to show you it's working. As you can see, Akshay has worn the glasses, and these glasses are connected to our laptop. As we can see, real-time feed through IoT, and now I'm going to test it. So first of all, I will bring a chair and ask Akshay to focus on it.
Chair detected.
As you can see, system respond, chair detected, and you can also see what the system has spoke. Any caretaker or the family member of blind people can see real-time feed of this system. I will come in front of the Akshay.
Hardik detected.
As you can see, system responded, Hardik detected, and we here can also see Hardik detected. Now I have not trained the system to detect this person. So if blind people come in contact with this person,
Unknown person
the system will respond, unknown person detected. And here we can also see system has spoken, unknown person detected. If I, as you can see, she is an unknown person, so the system speaks unknown person. But there is an interesting feature. If we press C on the keyboard, it will ask us to enter the name of the people. So we can enter any name, like Devansh. First, okay, I have no DE. Okay, enter. So photo captured successfully. This is the feature. Now every time Devansh will come, the system
That's
will
how
see
normal
Devansh.
users can train the AI model to detect known faces.
As I explained earlier, we can either use speaker or headphone. Earlier we were using speaker for demonstrating purpose, but for guiding privacy, we can easily put on the speaker in this jack and the blind people can hear the announcements privately. As you can see, we have installed one ultrasonic sensor also. Like imagine this is my wall and the blind people is moving.
Obstacle ahead. Please be careful.
So the system responds, obstacle ahead, please be careful. And you can also see here its last announcement is obstacle ahead, please be
Our
careful.
project helps blind individuals walk safely and confidently. This also allows family to monitor remotely.
It supports the vision of a Viksit Bharat where technology uplifts blind citizens. It can also benefit partially sight users or elderly people. If you like our project, thank you and have a nice day.